Hi there and welcome back to the channel. So we are going to be looking at how hackers can capture your credentials, and when I say credentials, I'm talking about your username and your password just by sending you a link, you clicking on that link, and they're capturing everything. So let's go. I'm going to be using a tool known as the Social Engineer Toolkit, or the SEToolkit. Through it, we are going to create, we're going to set up a credential harvester attack and then email the link to our victim. When the victim receives this email, they are going to click on the link, and when they try to log in, we are going to harvest their username and their password. So on the menu, I'll select one for social engineering attacks, then 2 for website attack vectors, and then we are looking at 3 for credential harvester attack method. I'm just gonna go with web templates because I don't want to start cloning a new website from start. So I'll take web template, which is 1. Then we need to set a listening IP address. When the attacker clicks on the link and enter their passwords, we need someone somewhere, we need a system somewhere that is listening for those credentials, that is waiting for those credentials. And I'm just going to give them my local IP address 192.168.1.129, and now 2 for Gmail password attacks, and now our system is waiting for the credentials. So I'm going to email the link, and this link is just going to have my local IP address on it. I'm going to email it to our victim, and when our victim clicks it, we are going to get his credentials right here. Just give me 1 minute. So I'm going to this dummy email, go to email compose, and I've just crafted a 1-line email. Hi sir, we have noted an issue with your Gmail updates. Just click here and sign in to apply the update. So let's embed our link right here. So we're just going to select an area, the text we want to embed the link on, and then embed the link. The link will be http:// and our local IP address that is listening for the attacks 192.168.1.7.129. That's the link that the victim is going to receive. So let's send this email. Let's sign into the victim's computer. Sorry about this. Let's go to Gmail, and my internet is very slow, so we have to be a bit patient. Alright, so we have our email. The victim has received this email. If he opens it and clicks on our link and tries to log into his Gmail account to fix the issue, his credentials are going to be captured. So let's put a dummy email, johnsmith@gmail.com, and we go down and put a password of 12345667 for instance, and click on sign in. What happens is that he gets redirected to Google's page, but if we come to our attack machine that was listening for a password, let's log in quickly. You would see that the credentials were captured. You can see the email and you can see the password, right? So this video is for educational purposes only. Do not misuse it. Do not use it for bad. Use it for the good of the internet. And Always make sure that you have two-factor authentication enabled on your Gmail accounts, because now what can save this guy, what can save this victim from getting hacked is if he has two-factor authentication set up, right? Thank you so much and see you in the next one. Ciao. Do not forget to like the video, subscribe and share. Thank you so much and bye bye.